Hi, welcome to my blog, Clay by Meats, and I'm gonna teach you how to make a simple cake used by clay. I use Nara or Grace, and it is the air dry clay, and it is soft and smooth clay. And here you can see the tools that I usually need. Let's start. Combine a bit oil, acrylic paint, the orange and yellow color to the clay, and mix it well. Gagawa tayo ngayon na parang hotdog siya. Then, make it flat na kahit anong gamitin nyo, a glass or plastic like ruler, ganun. Gumamit kayo ng ruler para pare-pareho yung sizes na may ikat nyo. Kailangan natin ngayon ang polystyrene foam and the glue stick. At ididikit natin siya piece by piece. Stick it gently. Kapag magdidikit kayo, just make sure na hindi nyo mahahawakan yung the middle part. Just stick the side. This is how I make the round shape for the cake top for decoration. Any color like green for melon, pink for strawberry. This is how I make naman the small roll mango piece, step by step. Now it's the small strawberry. Just use your palm Make a round shape and then squeeze softly the bottom part and use a toothpick for making a hole just like a seed of the strawberry. And for this one, for making the strawberry steam, I use the green oil acrylic paint. Sa pagkukulay ng strawberry, combine the oil acrylic paint, a bit dark red, and just a plain red, and then mix it well. And after coloring, just let it dry for a couple of hours. For making a cake topper, just follow your imagination na sa palagay nyo is simple and looks like a real one. And this one for a mango cake clay, I use the strawberry for the topper, a cherry, a mango roll, a mango balls, or you can put anything that it will looks like nice and simple. A raspberry too. And for finishing touch, I use the gloss clay varnish. And while applying it, don't touch the surface, just let it dry first. Use the paper dolls at the bottom before putting on a box. Here it goes, ready for a simple gift or a souvenir. Thank you for watching. Bye. Please subscribe.